This video shows the process of pre-checking of motor suspension unit and bearing. Bearings are removed with the help of induction heater. Cleaning of removed bearings, apply air under pressure. Taking measurements of MSU tube and bearings carefully using the inside micrometer. DE side should be 439.99 millimeters to 439.95 millimeters. CE side should be 339 millimeters to 339.95 millimeters. Checking of C clearance to be done, which is an important task, and its value is derived by using the formula C is equal to M minus L plus N, where M is the depth of the MSU in DE side, L is the depth of the bearing, and N is the depth of the Leibniz tube. These values are measured using vernier calipers. Finally, fitment of cleaned bearing back in MSU. MSU tube is again heated using induction heater to fit the cleaned bearing. Here we can see the Leibniz being measured using vernier calipers, which gives its value. After taking the E side measurements, turn the MSU tube to non-right side to carry out inspection and measurements. Here we can see MSU tube and E side being measured using inside caliper. The value should be within 339.99 millimeters to 339.95 millimeters. Here we can see measurement of depth of the MSU tube using vernier height gauge, which gives the value of M as mentioned earlier.